Hi viewers and welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to be trying to apply my wig like the YouTube hair gurus, like everybody who slays their wigs. I've been watching a lot of wig application videos and like highlighting and lifting the wig and wig construction and thing all there. When I say I step out fully, now that was my first little wig there, you know what I'm saying over. But when I say I'm ready to make my birthday wig, or let's just have all the knowledge, well, not all, because you're always learning, but since I have all the knowledge that you need to make a bomb, and I'm going to do a frontal this time, a bomb frontal. But if you have any hair companies out there want to sponsor you, get some hair, business email in my description box, hit your girl up, we can work out something. But anyway, so let me try to do this thing. So I want to do like YC, and hopefully this work out for your girl. And I using the got to be glued in the black because I had this for a while and I kind of want to start using it out. So once I see people apply their wig with this, so I hope it works for me as well. And I'm going to be trying the ball cap method or little. Sis do the most in this whole video, but oh child, I'll take advantage when all is well to film for this. So that we're going on. So alright, let me start. So usually they take the stocking cap. Of course I was using mine, so look at kind of it thing up there, whatever. And they put it on the head. Right. And then they now I kind of rolling up mine a little bit because I need to see all you. Sis needs to see. Let me see. Dryer. Oh gosh, come on, man. Oh, now I'm gonna take my blow dryer and blow dry the parts that have the glue on it. So, and data is on cool. Oh, I forget a whole step. They just cut out the little thing by the ears. Oh gosh, I forget that part. Hot mess with me, no? Or like hot mess with sis. I forget to do this. Cut the little hole by the little ears and thing. And you just pull through your ears. I clean forget that. Right. Now we're looking like if you know what we're doing and saying. Hey, the little ears outside. Well, I we can know. It dry. I just see them put on like a thing, but me not that thing. So I go on cut this headband. Don't worry, I have more. It is something just like this, and they just put it. I guess it's for it to like I don't know set or whatever, and they just tie it and thing. They tie it so. Come, you tie. Oh yeah man, this snug. And then they say, I'll be back in 5 minutes. So I'ma say, I'll be back in 5 minutes. Alright, all right, so we're back. So it's been like about 10 to 15 minutes for me, but just a soup for all. So let me see if sis. Oh god, oh good. All the things stick to ow. But what is this? Oh, you think stick down? We are weak. Go good on there. Oh, yeah, kicks with me now. Let me see. Alright. All yeah. That's my hair there, you know, the way. Since when I had edges and thing. This hair of mine just do a bit one too. And it have a thing. They say to take back this for like the little rollies. They take back this and put a little bit like where again the little rollies. And you're using your comb and your or it is real magical scenes. Right, okay, that's steady. And your blow dryer and you're singing it down or whatever, you're pressing it down. Well, if our first time I take my little first ball cap, come out very nice if I do say so myself. Obviously, I need some practice because my eyebrows all the way up here. This part I stick down to my eyebrow, all the real kicks with me, no real kicks. But I think that I did okay for the first try, you know. I think so. Alright, let us apply this wig. Okay, so we're going. Sis is serving scalps. Now, granted, this, showing the. I'll pull this down a little bit more to the front. That's steady, but it looking good. I think I have some more lace to cut off my front here, to be honest. So, yeah. But this is serving some form of scalp in this little, what do you call this thing? What do you call these things? In this, what do you call this thing on there? Closure. So what I'm going to do is try to glue down the front with this same thing. So the same I do the ball cap, I'll do this. So yeah, I think I do the ball cap wrong though. I think I should have just do right where the this was gonna be as a ball cap and leave the rest normal now boy, but trial and error. So let's go. So you're gonna take this again and tie it down. Remove this clip. Tie it down again for it to, stay. I go tie it. So I close it up. Now we tie. Let's tie this. Make sure it stays put. Or the real scenes for me here, no? Or then imagine sister have a stylish wig. Real kicks. Here is our the night. Watch our scenes. Or like week. Alright, so the next 5 minutes and I will be back. Alright, so some time pass. Some unknot this and see what's going on underneath this thing. Okay, so I'm guessing it's stuck down. Okay, here, we're gonna take here. Wig is on. Popper. Wig is on. That part looking so. Or I'm feeling like a whole, you know? Bringing taller first. Alright, Ollie, so I think I did okay, you know, for this first time and thing. I mean, it ain't as neat as I would want it to be, obviously, but with practice, Ollie ain't gonna be able to talk to me just now, and Ollie ain't gonna be able to talk to me. So I wanna try and kill this wig at some point in time because obviously you can't stay on my head for like 2 days. You know, I don't watch how to take out this thing, you know. But anyways, we'll get to there, you know, when we ready to take it off. But yes, I want to try and kill this wig. That'll be our next video though. So thank you guys so much for watching this video and struggling through with me. You all we got it, you know, we GT and sing, here laying flat and sing. All you wanna tell yourself. So yes, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that cute little thumbs up button and leave a comment down below so I know you like this kind of content. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.